You love to make food outside on the grill, but grilling inside can cause a fire drill. Not anymore.
Hello, friends. Chef Tony here with my Gotham Steel Smokeless Grill, the ingenious new way to barbecue indoors without all the smoke. Now you can enjoy all your barbecue favorites year-round. It's made of super strong titanium and super slick ceramic, so metal utensils won't scratch it and nothing sticks. Not even ketchup or this gooey white chocolate sauce. Now you can grill fish without the skin sticking, or make barbecue chicken and that sticky sauce wipes right off. Our smokeless secret is the heated grilling grate that allows oils and fats to fall into the drip pan and cool without hitting the heat, so smoke can't form. That's why you can even make bacon on my grill. Melt some cheese on top, then add a bun. And look, no sticking here. Grab a patty and top it off for a delicious bacon cheeseburger. And the convenient temperature dial maintains the perfect heat across the entire surface. So now make mouth-watering barbecue ribs. And cleanup's a breeze because it's dishwasher safe.
You can get this extra-large griddle. It's perfect for making big family breakfasts and even those flavorful fajitas.